Musik.tt is a tool to combine music and programming in order to create music, whatever music you like. So in this preview, due to time constraints, there will be no audio, so you have to use your imagination to share my vision of what this is going to be. So the most important part is the editor. Uh, so let's put a node in. So this is the basic building block of music. Each node has a code and a track. So let's look at the track. Uh, it has no name. Yeah, so there's no name. Uh, you can put in your own tracks by specifying the endpoints, something like this. So this is similar to like MIDI tracking or whatever. You can create your elaborate tracks here. Uh, but the cool thing is the code. So each track is paired with its code that I can show here. So so if you look at this code, so the track here is converted to a variable here in this Python code, and this code will convert each of these into a pitch with duration of how long this is, and then convert into audio. So this is like the most basic melody creator. Obviously, you can do maybe polyphony by layering notes. Uh, you can even do like sliding notes. But the since this code you can edit it, and if you click process, it shows an error. This is the track you see here. Anyways, um, you can run this Python code, and since you can edit it any way you want, this is not limited to just being the melody. It can be the volume. You can, okay, there's two, but maybe volume goes from small to large here, or it can be, maybe it can order the audio samples. It can literally be anything you want. So yeah, so it's extremely versatile. So the next thing to show is that uh, there's actually a database of nodes, codes, and tracks. Yeah, you can click on it to maybe look at the description. I can edit this one because I'm the admin, the creator of this code. But yeah, the cool thing is that you can copy this code, and if I go back to the editor, let me make a node again. I can put in the code I just found on the database, on the table here, and then if I show it, it will be the code to combine audios. Wow. So but there's no audio input. Now, uh, this is the tree editor, I call it. So you can create nodes and add it to the existing node. And the audio output of these is going to be inputted here. And then the code can play with the audio and do whatever, like layer them together or maybe play them side by side or play them one after another or like not even playing them, maybe like anything. You can just combine the audio. The audio is going to be stored in a remote server. I plan on using file stack, so it's not directly in the database. So yeah, and now you can even do this. You can copying a node another person created. Oh, oh, it was directly on top of this. Yeah, and then you can uh wait, you can yeah connect it together, and that way like the input is gonna go to like this node is entirely created by another person, and you can just use that to your own. And if you wanna maybe modify something, you can clone it, and then yeah, oops, don't mind that. But uh, you can imagine how powerful this is gonna be with people sharing all their codes and tracks. Like you can collaborate very easily. and use this broad resource. So yeah, this is the idea.